Well, I guess since I'm here, I might as well measure this insulation bit that I need. Unbelievable. Okay, that's 8 foot. And then I know I needed like 2 feet over at the far end over there, remember? And I'm measuring that. It was 9.5 inches, so I just have to kind of keep a mental note of that. All right, go through the hole now. I see lots of times underneath houses don't look like this. Maybe there's only enough room like that. You got to crawl on your belly or on your side, and it does. Lots of places don't have lights, so I'm glad that they installed a light switch. When this house was new, it was nice and easy to run the electrical for it and to run the wire up here and to put a light up here. They could have easily have extended and put another light like this. Okay, like this type. They could have put one down there if they wanted to, but something is better than nothing. Okay, so you're going to see what I see for the first time once I get this light situated here. Let's see what's underneath here. I'm not even sure where we're at in relation to the house. It looks like just one area. Run my extension cord through here. Wow. Okay, see, this is a little bit lower in here. It just goes over to there. Look at that. There's a pile of leaves right there. I'm not sure how those leaves got in underneath the house unless they were always here from the beginning. You know what I mean? But we'll get in there and check it all out.